Hello supermobile fans, happy day to you all. Thanks always for your support towards this channel. I hope to keep informing and entertaining you guys. Thanks for subscribing. The official specifications of a version of the Infinix Hot 9 has been released in Indonesia, and it is priced slightly above the Hot 8 because it brings some 2020 upgrades in display, storage, camera, software and processor at its price range. The screen has been changed from a water drop notch to a punch hole or infinity hole notch, while still maintaining the 720p HD Plus resolution, 6.6 inches size, aspect ratio of 20:9 and an IPS LCD technology. The RAM remains at 4GB size, but the storage has been significantly bumped up to a large 128GB size, which is much needed. The selfie camera still has an 8MP shooter, but the rear camera quality has been stepped up to a 16MP quad setup with a 2MP macro lens, a 2MP depth lens and a 0.08MP QVGA low light lens. Here are some photos taken by the Gadget Girl team, and all I can say is that the images looks clear with good details, although I expected more upgrade in quality, but they are good for social media. Low light photo quality is quite manageable for the price. The macro shot is also good, although not so detailed, but it's a good addition for the price. The 8MP selfie camera is a little bit noisy, but it is also okay for the price. The Hot 9 will be running on the latest XOS 6.1.0 Dolphin user interface based on the latest Android 10 software. I can't wait to personally experience what this combo has to offer when it launches in Africa. Surprisingly, the processor has been slightly stepped up to the brand new MediaTek Helio A25 octa-core 12nm processor, which is similar to the Helio P35 but has been clocked down to 1.8 GHz speed. The Helio A25 is about 4% better than the Helio P22 and about 2% better than the Snapdragon 439. It is nice that Infinix still retains the 5000 mAh battery size despite all these upgrades, but we still get a 10W micro USB port. Let us hope for a Type-C in the Hot 10. The Hot 9 might be launching in Africa soon with probably the lower Helio P22 and Helio A22 processors to reduce costs for the African economy. Concerning the pricing, here is the official price for the Indonesian version, which translates to $100 or 8,000 rupees. And here are the expected official prices for the African versions, which looks fair for the specifications, but I hope it will be less than this, fingers crossed. Let me know what you guys think about these upgrades. The most important upgrade to me is the large 128GB storage. Thanks so much for watching. Kindly subscribe and turn post notification on to be the first to see my next official update on the Hot 9 or any other device. Talk to you in my next video. Remain humble. Bye.